Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today, I finally got a keyboard with the Gateron yellow switches, which I've never tried before. The Boyi TD66. I've never had a keyboard with a knob, so now I do. Yay. This keyboard also has some pretty cool RGB as well. I personally keep it off, but this is my first keyboard with underlighting too, and it looks really cool. This keyboard is pretty heavy and comes in at 1.098 kilograms. This is heavy compared to my other keyboards, but there is definitely something out there that weighs so much more, no doubt. This heaviness kind of gives it the feeling that it is higher quality and built like a tank. I kinda like it. The keycaps on this keyboard is also one of my favorite things about it, except the arrow keys because the print is misaligned and I really want to replace them. Typing on these keycaps also feels really natural. This keyboard is pretty thocky for having stock switches, but it can be improved so much with the looped switches and other foam or tape mods. The stabs are decent and really shine on the backspace. Even though I said I like the keycaps, let's remove them and test it out with some clear keycaps that sound pretty good. I think I prefer the sound of the other keycaps and the look too. These keycaps just sound a bit more clacky, but look cool aesthetically if you are really into RGB. That's all I have for this video. Definitely going to mod this keyboard and see what other things I can do to make it better. Thanks for watching.